Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, SONY Alpha, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable or how to disable long exposure noise reduction. Firstly, we need to open the main menu. Then here inside, we need to choose this first button, so first option, camera 1. Then scroll right, and here you'll see long exposure NR. Click on it, and here we have on and off. So on setting reduces noise in images taken with long exposure times. For example, when the shutter is open for a long time, so long exposure photos like on the driveway, for example, highway. So it helps make the image clearer by removing the specks of color that can appear in low light photos. So click enable, for example, and go. That's it. We have enabled long exposure noise reduction. That's it. Thanks for watching and bye. See you.